It is time for us to see management group in action. To locate management group, I will come to this same location and I will search management group. And for management group, it gives you the opportunity to arrange, your resources for proper management. So you can say I can use management group to group subscriptions. So right now I have, you know, three management group. The root management group, then I have management group test one, I have AZ-104MGO. So what I will do right now is that I'm going to click on create and I'm going to create a new management group. And there's a need for ID, so I will use management group test 2. So then I'll submit. So it's updating the group and it's going to create a new management group. Wait for a few minutes and we're going to see the new management group. It's going to update that new management group here. So it's still updating it. And you can always check this notification for information. The management group is ready. And if you come to this page now, you can see it's giving me information about things that are happening in my account. You can see the resource group I created not quite long, and the groups I just that's the management group. So here's the management group, test 2. Now inside this particular management group, I have this subscription. So what I can do, or what I want to do now, is that I'm going to click on this particular dot dot dot, then I'm going to move the subscription from this management group to this management group. So here is it, and I'll click save. And that's it. So if I come to this place now and I expand, you can see this is the subscriptions, and where is it right now? Is inside the management group I just created. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing to this channel. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to leave a like and share this video. See you in the next one.